It's already 7 in the morning and we are ready for action. What we do today?
Yeah, we're going for a boat tour with the kayaking and some other stuff. Probably we'll just go there to fly the drone and see the Monkey Island. It'll be quite interesting. Some swim, kayaking, and
It's organized too, so will be many other people. And oh, thank you. Come on. And our breakfast arrived, so we start recording.
that's quite crazy. Just so much fish. Tiny anchovies, something like that.
Just make some money, no?
Oh, a lot of money there.
A bit tricky one, huh?
Monkey Island.
Voila, let's go find some monkey for lunch. Do you think we should go there?
Probably.
I will pull you.
You will save me.
Tu aimes Vietnam?
Ouais, j'aime bien le Vietnam.
Ah oui?
C'est cool.
Vous êtes ici pour beaucoup de temps?
2 semaines.
It's quite interesting hike here, huh? It's not hiking, man, it's climbing.
Don't forget your shoes. Flip-flops wouldn't work here. And we're not the first ones, so it can be quite slippery on the rocks here.
Have you catch some monkey?
No.
Not yet? It's
No.
a bit of line here, and I think the whole experience a bit goes down because of... No?
We have nice girls here, so it's kind of keeps it.
But it's different
Yeah.
experience.
So we decided to take the side trail and go just explore a bit the
And
island.
I think it was a good idea because behind there is some houses. There is nice point of view.
It looks like there is a village or maybe some resort. We'll see.
We try to be
Let's
fast
go and
and
explore, yeah. It looks like a resort.
True.
Quite clean and nice. So
We are using special technique.
no answering. We don't hear any monkeys here. They're probably on the other side.
There.
Let's go.
Fast. We don't have much time. Over the mountain, and we went
This
there.
side, and we just walked to the viewpoint.
Locals not fooling around with us, huh? No, not anymore.
Especially when we have our hats and our jackets.
We spent about 1 hour here on the Monkey Island. And to summarize, how many monkeys you would expect here?
I don't expect that many monkeys. Maybe if we'll see 1 or 2, that's you will be lucky. We didn't see any.
Yeah.
The only monkeys were like me and Max. At least there is a nice beach here. So
Look at that harbor where we came from. Vous êtes prête?
Oui, non.
Oui, ready, Chico?
it's a teamwork. So remember, just one.
Yes.
Nice grottos and nice passages. But the water is not the cleanest one, huh?
Yeah, not in white. It just looks quite dirty, and you have some cuts.
Film.
Yeah. Probably will still go for a swim, but let's cruise a bit around and see. Oh, sorry. We can film Max as well. There's quite a nice path under the rock. quite lovely.
High five. High five.
Expensive equipment here.
Like kayaking.
How is like the first experience? Was it right?
Yes, first. You have to discover the same thing.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so we're going to have a race with these girls. The loser is buying the beers. So we'll keep just a bit here so we can see how they're losing.
Ready to lose?
Yeah, vamos.
Ready?
I'm working for you girls.
Tequila, go!
If tequila, I'm paddling. I'm double. I feel really tired now.
The wrong boat.
Whoa, slow down!
We want to see the accident here. How do you feel after our lose?
Yeah, too bad.
So now I need a beer. A new ship from...
Let's go. Not bad, huh?
We watched some films on the bus.
Go around the island, come back for a swim, and we continue our trip.
We'll tell the captain we're ready to go, and
Yeah,
he will start the engine.
I do this, and he will understand. I'm just chilling while he's doing workout.
A bit of exploration.
Yeah, that was 5 meters inside of the grotto. Nice. Dark and
Stinky and warm,
yeah,
humid. What else?
that's enough. That's enough.
And really beautiful.
The last thing.
Ciao.
Bia wine,
View wine.
Bia
No money, boat.
Okay, cho ba tham minh không money go boat.
Yeah,
Cho ba
but
tham minh money boat.
we have the same stuff on board.
You want to push?
Okay,
good.
Money lên.
We have an appointment with this lady later. Maybe later, she said.
Having some good time. And for now we
Have
just
a good
time. We're just on a small island.
It's a private island.
Yeah, for 1, 2, 3, 4, for maybe 7 people. And it's high tides.
Yeah.
Maybe on low tide we can fit 12.
Small party here we can organize.
And this kayak is definitely better, huh? My back is not hurting because you have a rest for your back.
My bag is alright every time. It's getting quite busy here. It's quite really small and we just already feel too many people here.
It was a full day excursion.
We're not really great fans of organized tours, but this one was quite nice, really chill, really well organized as well. So we cruised all the main attractions there, all the main islands, small things, and just...
And the boat was cruising really slowly, so you can enjoy the view. We saw many fishing boats.
Yeah, there's like a fishing village, proper villages, so they
lot of
live
them.
in there, they have small gardens there.
For sure they're providing
fireplaces,
for
yeah.
all Vietnam the fish, huh? Not just for Cat Ba. We did 1 hour of kayak. It was nice to come into the caves and between under the rocks and swimming around. Yeah, the whole experience is really nice.
Yeah,
And it's not expensive. It was $14.
yeah, for one person. But tomorrow we're going to explore the area by our own. So you can walk with us.
This evening we decided to
Dress up like a local doing.
come to the town and just show how the real style of North.
Yeah.
We have the proper hats. Man, they're already celebrating here. I feel that they like our look, our outfit, our hats. They think it's very stylish and.
It wouldn't surprise anyone in the north of Vietnam, but here people paying too much attention.
Yeah.
Like show TV, you know.
Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, that's the thing.
Real TV show.
We're on the way to the highest point of the Cat Ba Island. It should be 1 hour hiking and it looks nice.
It's not that long, but it's quite steep.
It is. And I feel tired today, so it's even steeper now.
And the thing is really well maintained, nice steps, so sometimes it seems that it's too easy.
All fences, they are concrete ones. They're not wood ones. They were the local dogs on the way to the top of the mountain.
Yeah, we're considering to adopt them and bring them home.
I was tricking you. Oh, it's burning, huh? It's actually burning.
Nothing, don't feel anything. We stopped, not because we're tired, no. We just wanted to really enjoy the nature. Deep breath.
Yeah. Not many mosquitoes for now.
But we're still keeping long sleeve. Safety first. We can hear someone. Someone is following us. We're trying to distract them so they think there are some wild animals there. Every skill is useful, you know, at some stage. So. Mosquitoes?
Yeah.
So let's go.
We need to keep moving. Mosquitoes cannot take us when we are fast.
They're keeping us alive.
That was motivational.
I feel the smell of the victory.
Do you?
The peak is quite close, yeah.
Chico, come.
So here we are at the top of the... Probably there are a couple higher peaks, but that's the one you can reach.
Easily. And yeah, it's a bit sweaty, huh?
It's alright.
Petting any mountain is quite sweaty. A lot of plastic everywhere.
Yeah, empty bottles not that heavy to carry it down.
And it's green here.
And not the bad view. You can see it's a bit smoky around.
So
But still you can see a lot of peaks around, so it's quite nice.
yeah, but it would be nice to see rocks, you know, mixed thing.
Yeah.
There's like a same color.
But anyway, if you have half a day, spare day, just go and check.
Yeah, maybe even less than half a day.
I'll do all the way to the shoreline. Take the boat from there and go back to the town. This is another option.
There is an organized tour for this thing. You okay, Chico?
A bit of relax. Oh, nice, comfortable chair. And it's nice for different purposes. And if you'll film from the back, it's obvious. Bring me some leaves. Yeah, go for it. Look at this tree, it looks really cool. Have space for everyone. We decided to explore a bit the island.
Nice ride on the beach. Some cows.
The water is not that nice. We wouldn't swim here.
No, we would
See a lot
not.
of industrial boats there.
But the cows are nice.
Yeah. Some wildlife here
I think we saw more animals on the beach there than on the mountain there.
in the national park.
Yeah, and a lot of crabs here. They're hiding in the holes. Let's start with one. So inside of this one,
We're gonna have to catch it.
there is a crab. He's gonna fight. The dip.
Doesn't work. No.
Not monkey language, yeah?
Well, Well done, Max. And the water is not that white in here.
No, actually the water is quite shitty one. What is it doing here? Oh, good. Yep. Woo!
Monkey Island again.
Yeah, while everyone is lying down on the beach, we came on kayak on the beach.
We're working hard to explore the area. We're not taking easy ways by renting the boat.
All beaches on the Cat Ba, they're all busy, packed with the people. This one looks pretty empty. So what we're planning to do is go around the island, maybe cruise to some other islands, and then around 5 o'clock to come back for aperitif.
Yeah, there are quite a few islands, so we will be pretty busy. There is
Yeah.
no time to lose.
Attack. This time we found them.
There are a few monkeys and they are all concentrated around the beach, so you don't have to climb up the top of this island just to see them.
Yeah, this was we did.
Get a couple of bananas and wait.
Смотрите, а?
Нет, так не подожди, ему не нравится.
Так, ничего не будет.
Great shot.
Yeah, it was quite a bit of action running behind the monkey. We understood that they like beer, Coca-Cola and bananas. And they actually like fucking with it. Huh?
Yeah, they thought that he was taking their food away, so they kind of tried to be aggressive and just protect their area, I guess.
And I think the camera looks a bit scary in front of them, but it was actually fun to run around with them.
I was a bit concerned about Max, but you're right. We made it. Such a man.
Duh. It's a bit of wave.
Yeah, and a bit of wind.
So frustrating because we're paddling and it feels like we're going to one direction, like we're going all the time to the left. And
Yeah, we're spinning. I don't know. Or it's our technique, the bad technique, or it's just something with the kayak, or something with the current.
wow, Vietnam is the lovely country, huh?
Yeah, there are flags everywhere. Every house has a red flag, their national flag.
And every sea has.
Yeah, every corner there is like, full of garbage and plastic in the sea. That's how you express your love.
Yeah, with the flag and the rubbish.
I'm sorry. I just overreacted. I'm not usually doing these things.
And I'm overlapped. Yeah, such a lovely dogs. They're so cute. I would like a puppy like that.
Let's stop and play with them.
This is round 2 of the pot. Before we had black chicken pot.
And today is gonna be a fish pot.
Next pot.
Like mixed seafood stuff.
This is the first time we're taking this pot, and I hope we will not be disappointed, no?
Yeah, let's see.
Okay, let's wait until the good stuff comes. Are you excited?
Yes.
You look like you're excited.
No, I think it will be good. Faut pas trop penser.
Let's see.
Okay, I'm ready, yeah.